Good morning, grade 10. The next topic is how do metals and non-metals react. So as you know about the metals, they are electropositive in nature, right? Metals, they lose the electrons, and non-metals, they are electronegative in nature. They have maximum tendency to gain electrons. So students, how these elements combine together and to form compound, let me see. But before that, you just come to know about the term. There are three types of bonds. When one atom combined with another atom, then they combined in this form, and this is called the force of attraction between two atoms. And how this happened? Actually, there is a tendency to lose the electron, and here is a gain of electron. Which things are going to combine here? Electrons are present here. How they will combine? The first type of bond is ionic bond, that we also called as electrovalent bond. As I already told you about what is valency. Minimum gain or lose of electrons from valence shell, means from outermost shell. And electrovalent means there is a valency of only one electron, either to give, either to take, right? So the definition of ionic bond is giving and taking of electrons, transfer of electrons. Second type is covalent bond. Covalent bond, its meaning is sharing of electrons. It is of two kinds, double bond and triple bonds are present in this case. If we talk about the electrovalent, one electron is there, of course single bond will form. This is the bond, the force of attraction between two atoms, right? So this single bond indicates that it is ionic in nature, electrovalent, and it is more stable and strong rather than the double and triple bond. There is another one more type, coordinate bond. Coordinate, incomplete sharing of electron. Here is complete sharing, that's why mutual sharing of electrons. Clear? They share the electrons. And here incomplete sharing of electron. There is a difference, and later on we will discuss in the grades 11 that how it happens actually. Now we will talk about only electrovalent bond in your syllabus. That if I have sodium metal, it is a metal, and its valency is +1. So sodium is having one electron in outermost shell. Clear? When I react with chlorine, which is a non-metal which exists in gaseous state actually, so they are having 7 electrons in their outermost shell. Why I have represent electrons in these two types? Actually, Lewis was one of the scientists who has discovered the dot and cross form of the electron. We can represent the electrons in the dot form or in the cross form to distinguish the both atoms, right? When we do reaction, it is having only one, and no one will get giving it 7 electrons, so it has a minimum tendency to lose the electron. It will lose its electron and it shifted to the chlorine. So after losing, it become positive because it lose the electron. In chemistry, whenever you are writing positive, it means it lose the electron, and whenever you are writing negative, it means it gains the electron. Clear? So positive means sodium has lost its one electron, and now it is in a stable form. In outermost shell, suppose it is having 11 atomic number 281. It has lost its one electron. Now this shell has removed. This become the outermost shell, and it is having 8 electron, and it follow the rule, octet rule. Either atom have to complete octet or duplet while stabling. So to become stable, it has to follow the octet and duplet rule. Now it has followed the octet rule and it has removed one electron. Now see, chlorine has taken sodium. It has taken. So here electron has shifted to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 has taken from sodium. So how many electrons are there? Count. Total 8. It lost and it has taken from sodium. So what will be the charge of chlorine? Sodium is having positive, and what is the charge of chlorine? Negative, because it has taken from sodium. So what it formed? Sodium chloride, which is the formula of common salt. So in this way we combine the metals and non-metals together, right?